So we have to find the equation of a line which is perpendicular to line y equals to 2x minus 3. And what does it mean? That means your line is kind of, let's say this is the given line, which is 2x minus 3, and your line is going to perpendicular to that, like that. So let me call your line is L. So you have to find equation of this L line, which is meeting the line which is given there at 90 degrees. Perpendicular means vertical. They are meeting like horizontal and vertical lines, right?
Yeah.
In order to find the slope of the line, now we have to find slope of this line. So we have to find m. So slope of your line is gonna be negative reciprocal of their slope, right? So their slope is gonna be right here. I mean the slope of this line. Now can you tell me what is the slope of this line? This line is in a slope intercept form, if you know that, right? The line that they gave us is in
Yeah.
a slope intercept form. That means this is slope and that point is the y-intercept, right? So slope is 2. So we're going to write
So
2.
that's M and that's B.
Yeah, so your m, the slope of your line is negative reciprocal. Reciprocal means you flip it. Flip means 1 over 2. So whatever slope you have in that line, you write it at the bottom, and you do 1 over that slope and negative sign. So your slope is basically minus 1 over 2, slope of your line. Now the next thing is, your line, the line you are finding, has the same y-intercept as this line. Now this line is not in a slope intercept form. We have to convert in a slope intercept form in order to find the y-intercept. So your b is same as the b of this line. Let's find the b of this line. So I write it there 4x. Now in order to convert it to the slope intercept form, which looks like that, I have to isolate y from the whole equation. So I keep it there and I send 4x to the right hand side. And it turns into negative 4x plus 7. Does it make sense to you? Now, I have to make this y positive, so I multiply both sides by negative sign. Negative of negative y is negative of negative 4x plus 7. So when negative sign goes in, it makes things different. I mean, it changed the signs. So this negative sign is going to change all the signs. So we got that, negative, negative, positive. So y equals to 4x minus 7 is the slope intercept form. Good. Now, next thing is finding out the b value in this line. In this line, this is the m and that's the b. And they're saying that your line has the same y-intercept as this line, and the y-intercept of this line is negative 7. So I write negative 7. So now we have both of the components that we need, or both of the tools that we need. So our equation is gonna be like mx plus b. You just substitute the values of m and b in this equation. So your m is negative 1 over 2 and your b is minus 7. So you substitute both of them. So that's your answer.
Okay. I'm just like trying to write down all the equations and figuring out what to do.
Yeah, just go through everything and see